Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the best device that you're ever going to find for keeping your AirPods safe and secure. We've all heard stories of people walking down the street and an AirPod falls out, goes down the sewer grate, never to be seen again. For a mere $10, you can buy insurance on that. It's called the AirPod holder strap. Okay, so we take each AirPod and put it in this little receptacle. And we want to make sure that the string there is roughly aligned with the little black switch on the back of the AirPod. Now we're going to see how to put on the AirPods. Make sure that the ends of the bands are pointing downward. Slip it around your neck. Notice that the ends are pressing into your collarbone. And put the AirPods in your ears one at a time. And you're set to go. But there's one more trick. The AirPods will work even if you only have one in place, meaning you can leave the other in the charging case and you'll always have one AirPod ready to go.